Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable developer mode in Claude Desktop. To get started, open the Claude AI Desktop app on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can clearly see the main interface before moving on. If the window opens into a conversation or home screen, that is perfectly fine. You just need to be inside the app and ready to access the main menu. Next, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You are looking for the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is sometimes called the hamburger menu, and it is commonly used to open navigation options and settings in desktop apps. Take a moment to locate it carefully, since this is where the rest of the process begins. Once you find the 3-line icon, click on it. This will open the app's side menu or navigation panel. In this menu, you should see several options related to the app, including access to support and configuration areas. From there, click on Help. The Help section usually contains useful resources, support information, and troubleshooting tools. In this case, it also gives you access to the setting we need for this walkthrough. After opening Help, move your mouse over Troubleshooting. You may not need to click right away if it opens as a submenu when you hover. Just place your cursor on Troubleshooting and wait briefly for the additional options to appear. This step is important because the developer's setting is nested under this area. When the troubleshooting options are visible, click on Enable Developer Mode. This action turns on developer mode in Claude Desktop. Depending on your version of the app, you may notice a visual change, a confirmation, or new developer-related options becoming available afterward. And that's it. Developer mode is now enabled. As a quick tip, if you do not immediately see the expected option, make sure you are using the desktop app rather than the browser version, since menu layouts can differ. It can also help to slowly retrace the path through the top left menu, then Help, then Troubleshooting. This is a simple process, but following each menu step in order makes it much easier to find the correct setting without confusion. Once enabled, developer mode can give you access to advanced tools intended for more technical workflows. Thank you for following along, and that is how to enable developer mode in Claude Desktop.